In this video, I'll show you how to set Google Messages as your default messaging app on the Samsung S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. By default, Samsung devices come with the Samsung Messages app set as the default. But if you prefer using Google Messages, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Now, search for Google Messages and install the app. Once it's installed, tap Open. You may get a prompt to set it as your default messaging app. If you do, just tap Set as Default. If you don't see that option, don't worry. Here's how you can do it manually. Go to Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on Choose Default Apps. Here you'll see a list of default app categories, like Browser, Phone, and SMS. Tap on SMS App. Now select Google Messages from the list. And that's it! Google Messages is now your default messaging app. Also, in the latest updates, Samsung is slowly moving away from its own Messages app, so switching to Google Messages is a great choice for future updates. Thanks for watching.